Hey guys, how's it going? How to add custom CSS to Hostinger sites. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and claim your free domain by selecting a plan that suits your budget. And if you want to start your journey, please check the link in the description box in order to get your first discount. Now, what you're gonna do, we're gonna basically get to know more about the CSS to a Hostinger site. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, a language that modifies the appearance of HTML elements on your website. For example, you can change the text colors, spacing, dimension, and alignment to personalize the look. Right? There is 4 methods to add custom CSS to WordPress. You have the first method, right? Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to Tools, Theme File Editor, and then from the Theme Files sidebar, select the styles.css style sheet and add your custom CSS class at the bottom of the file. For example, they will add a color class that changes the text in a paragraph black to green, right? And click Update File. Right here at the blue button, and now let's apply the new CSS style to text block via the site editor. Here's the step. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Post and then All Posts, and then hover over the post that you want to edit and click Edit right here. Alright, and then click a block that you want to modify. In our case, it is a paragraph. Go to the block settings menu in the sidebar, advanced, and then additional CSS classes. And if you can't find the menu, click on this click the settings button on the top right corner next to the 3-dot icon. Right, enter the CSS class and then hit save. That's it. Right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.